So one of the challenges that our sector has in the built environment is how we bridge the gap between current industry models and practice and future needs. And that has a skills implication in terms of what people are going to be doing and how they're going to be doing it. And effectively the tension that exists between what employers need from their people here and now and how they make money relative to the long-term trends and the implications on having to reskill the workforce means that there's often a reality gap between what we want to train for, what we need to train for the future, relative to what industry needs in the here and now. And we want to really focus on that at BEFA, and the intersection between the education and future skills question and professional practice is where there's going to be a lot of effort in terms of trying to focus how we bridge that gap. And we want to do that in conjunction with industry, with employers. We want to do it with academics and learning providers and even policymakers coming into that mix as well, as to how we make sure that we can land real change in a sustainable way that retains employability, but actually is embedded in the real world.